Man, welcome you to this class. Welcome to the class. So in this class, we're going to create a website exactly like this, or a bit like this, or better than this. It will depend on our definition of good or better. But I'm going to create a website just like this. You know, this is a Punch website, a very popular website, news website in Nigeria. So we're going to create a blog, a news or news or magazine website, just like very familiar to this. And the thing we're going to be using is going to be free. I promise it's going to be free, but it's an exception. We're going to buy a domain and a hosting. Every website should have a domain and a hosting. Like for example, this is a domain. The domain of the website is punchng.com. So this is what you put on your search engine that you to bring out this website. Now, this website, I have seen it, is hosted on a server. We call that a web server. So to get started, the first thing we are going to do is to get a domain and a hosting. So in subsequent class, I'm going to tell you how you can actually create a website without domain and hosting. Then when you are done, you can just buy a domain and hosting and post it there so people can actually get in touch. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get started. So let's get a domain and a hosting. So you come to this website, domainking.ng. I'm going to put the link available so you can just click on it and it will bring you here. So you will register, of course. Then when you are registering, after you have finished register, just come straight to web hosting. Click on web hosting. Then they have three plans here. We have the soldier plan, the minister plan, and the king plan. So just come for this minister plan. Because this minister plan has the ability to host 3 websites, and it is fast, 2 times faster than this one up here. And it is on PHP 7. This one that for PHP 7. And so you have all these wonderful things. You have unlimited domain, this and that. So when you just buy only this one plan, you can actually have unlimited domain. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to tell you more about this, but this video won't cover that. So in the next videos, I'm going to explain how you can create subdomains. How you can create professional email. As in the email, for example, can be like info@punch.com, whatever. So we're going to learn how to create that. So let's start with the first one. Now they have many price plan. Let's click the first one to just get started. You can at any time go to the next one if you want to. Okay, you click here, then click on order now. You click on order now. When you click on order now, it's going to take you to the next page. It will take us to the next page, and this next page is where you're going to register a domain. So let me just register a domain. A domain is where people will post in. Let me just register one. Okay. Let me say News Nigeria NG. I don't know if this exists. So .com.ng. So .com is very popular, and on this website is about 4,700 for the first year and later 5,000. But .com.ng is about 1,100 and it's cheaper. So let me just go for the cheaper one. I'm not going to actually buy all this. I'm just showing you how to buy it because I've already gotten what I want to get. So you click here to continue. Okay, so then after you have clicked here to continue, it's going to confirm if that domain is available. So if the domain is available, it is going to enable enhance you to be able to just go on. But if it's not available, you just have to choose another one. So let's check. Wow, it's available. So since it's available now, so we only get it for 1,100. This domain 4,100. I remember I already bought a hosting for 4,500. So that's about 5,600, I guess. So you just click here to continue. Click here to continue. Then you just tell you that this is everything you have gotten. So you can add to cart. So you just add it to cart here. Okay. Then please enable this DNS migration. Then click here continue. Then migration is free, so you pay no extra. So the total money you pay now is 5,600. Now, if you don't want to go through all this process, I'm going to tell you how you can do that, but this video will not cover it. So other videos which I'm going to create, I will just beg you to just get it, ladies and gentlemen, so that. But don't worry, when it's time, everything will fall in place. So, ladies and gentlemen, you fill in your details here. Then you just click on agree. And you complete order, but I'm not going to complete order because I complete order, my invoice will keep increasing. Like now, I got this invoice 11,200. It's keep increasing, and I'm actually using it for practical sake. So let's get started. So when you have clicked paying, you'll be sent an email like this. Into the email you register with probably a Gmail. Then they will give you the details. Then they will give you this link, your cPanel link. So you're going to click on the cPanel link, and it's going to take you to your cPanel. Then they'll give your username and your password that you're going to use. Of course, you change this password. So don't think that this password is active. If you try to do it, it's not going to go because I have already changed the password. So they'll give you a password and give you every other details that you need. All right, so let me open a cPanel for you and tell you how that can be done. So I'm going to open a cPanel here. All right, so I've already bookmarked my cPanel. So it's going to look like something like this. So you just have to put in your details as you have received it in this mail, put in your details, and then you are going to log in. Okay, so from the C panel, this is where we are going to be able to install our WordPress, ladies and gentlemen. And WordPress is a software and it's free. WordPress is free. So every money you are going to pay has ended now. The rest thing we are going to do will be free. So you just come straight down to this Softaculous app installer. Then click on WordPress. The other one, you have Joomla, you have all these, but WordPress is the best outside there. I must confess, the best. Then click on install. So when you go down here, you not see all this, but I'm seeing this because I've already installed so many WordPress and I've created so many websites. So you could click on install now. So when you click on install now, it's going to take you to this place, ladies and gentlemen. Leave this one the way it is. Then make sure that this is at HTTPS, please. It's compulsory. Then you're going to choose your domain. Obviously, you're going to have one. You're going to choose if it's more than one. Just choose. Probably maybe have registered a subdomain like this one. This one has subdomain, you know. Get it? So I'm going to leave that. Then your blog name. You can leave this here. We're going to fix it after installing it. Then you're going to put in your username. Probably your username is Daniel. Let us assume it is Daniel. You're going to put your username. Then put in your password. Please change all this. Your password can be anything, you understand? So I'm not going to put any password there because I'm not going to install. I've already installed the web. And please, anything you put here is very compulsory. You must not forget it. And of course, change this email to your own personal email. Just to personal email. Let me just change this just to show you how it's been done. All right, so don't try to press this because it's not going to go. It's just a domain, stuff like that. Okay, so then you just come straight, and just click on install. Of course, you can put in your email here if you want to. They can send you the details to log. So just click on install. When you click on install, this button install could take to where, in fact, the WordPress website will be installed by itself automatically. So ladies and gentlemen, after installing it, you see a link, as in your username, your domain name /WP. Click on it to bring you here. At first, may first take you to the C panel, then automatically adjust it. But if per virtual you do not see it after installing the WP admin, just put in your domain /WP-admin. Now, one thing about domain is that your domain will not be active immediately. It may take about 2 to 6 hours. So just wait for it. That is the bad side. Actually, I'll tell you the truth about the bad side. But in the form of support, when you have any issues, just comment, just send them in support. Just come to this my support. Click there and instantly they will answer you within 24 hours. So I love that about them. And yeah, that's wonderful. Like other hosting in Nigeria. So ladies and gentlemen, so these are our dashboards. So immediately you click on install WordPress, this Sparklers, you have installed your WordPress, you will be brought to this place. If you don't see, just press in your domain name /WP-admin and you'll be brought to this place. So at this place, this is our dashboard, of course. As you can see, you have the left-hand side here, and this is our dashboard. So what I'm going to do now is just to let's clean this place. I don't like this way, the way everything is rough. So this clean screen option, click on it and disable all this. When you disable everything, so everything is going to be clean. So make you through with that. Just come straight to setting. Locate your setting, general setting. So all this part is very compulsory before actually start creating our website. Remember, we want to create a website that look like Punch newspaper. You should not forget that. Look like something like this. It may not be exactly like this, but it looks something very similar to this. So let's come back to our dashboard. Okay, still loading though. All right, now your site name, you see my blog. I've already changed it to Daniel's News. So here, use your tagline. Just change it to, like now, when you look up, check up here, you see, you can see, look at it here, just another, when I click, you can see Daniel News, just another WordPress site. So I'm going to change it. But when you click WordPress, this one known, is showing out, you can see the most widely read newspaper in Nigeria. That is the tagline. So I'm going to just write, be updated. Just make it very simple. Be updated. But you can change your own to anything you want to. It's based on you. So just click membership. Anyone can register. It does not hurt. So though nobody's registering on it, but just click like that. It does not hurt anyone actually. So just click on save changes. You have to, after you are done with your everything you are doing, you must click on save changes and ensure that it's safe. It's very fundamental. All right. Then when you are now through with this one, the next thing that is very compulsory is your permanic. Look at it here. Permanic. Permanic. So click on permanic. You have to change the permanic. So, and it now is in date, day and month. So please change it to post name. Change to post. So it means that whenever you post a news or any article, it's going to show your domain name / the article that you have posted. and it's very good for search engine. So you just click save changes. Click here, save changes. All right. So now, just when you're now through with that, we'll come out to the other ones. So the next thing you're going to create is page. Just click on add new page, because every website should have a home page. Like this now, this is the home page. As you can see, home page is so this is the home page. So just click on add new, and I'm going to come straight to it's still loading. Okay, you're going to add a new page. Ladies and gentlemen, okay, I have to change. There's something I have to tell you. I've not done it. Wow, that should be done. No, not yet. Just please come to your appearance, come to theme. Every website should have a theme. Like Punch website now, this is a theme. It's a theme that gives it this structure. Because we won't be writing any code. Of course, if there's any code, I'll make it available for you. And I'm going to explain it for you. Just the code I'm going to use is going to be customization code. It's a code that you can get yourself if you want to, but I'll make it available for you. So now you can see that this theme we are using here is very ugly. This website is extremely ugly. Very ugly. We have to change the theme. The theme is the framework, like the skeleton of our website. It's the one that makes our website to appear either beautiful or ugly. So I'm going to add a new theme. So you click on add new. So if the theme is in zip file, you click on upload, but we're going to search for the theme. The theme is available in WordPress market. So news card, and the theme is free. So I'm not going to pay, because you have premium theme that you pay, but this one I don't going to pay any money. So news card, where are you? Where are you? This is not the news card I'm searching for. Where is it? Okay, let's come back and look for it. Okay, where is the news card? Let's come back up. There are many one you can use, obviously, but this we're going to be using news card. Okay, let me search for it again. News card. All right, let's look for it. Okay, there's something. Where is the news card? I can't find it though. I'm looking for it. See, when I press news, you can see there are many that kind of theme that you can use. So please, all right, I've downloaded it before. But when you search for news card, you should see yours. But because I've already gotten it before, so I'll just come to theme. I'll come back to theme. I've already installed it before. I'll come back. So when you search on news card, this is what you're going to see. But it's already installed. That's why I'm unable to see it here. It's already installed. I've already installed. So you just click on install. You see something here. So when you search for it in the new, you see install. You click on install. But now I'm just going to activate it. So when I finish activating it, please notice something. Let's come out to this website here. Notice something. You can see the way it is now. Now let me refresh it, and you see the changes. It's going to just change, and it will be better than the previous one. You can see, wow, it's now getting better than the previous one. Although it's not like this one. But at least it looks like something like it. So, ladies and gentlemen, you must get a theme to install that theme. So it's giving us a notification. Don't dismiss this notification. We don't need it. You dismiss it. We don't need it. So now, after doing that, the next thing you're going to come to is page. So you come to your page, add new page. You add new page. Okay. So we have some pages here. Okay, some pages here. It's not needed actually. So just come to add new. We'll still delete those pages. Come to add new. So we're going to add some pages that is very important. The first page is home page, as I said earlier. Home page. So just go after adding no page, you can come down, you can check everything. Just leave it the way it is. Now, come to this side here. Page, not blog, page. Come down. This template, click on it and click on front page template. Then publish. Please, this is very important, so that our home page will be the front page template based on the theme setting. Then you press back. So we are going to create another page again. So we're only going to create just 2 pages. The rest will be categories. So I'll tell you how I'm going to do that. All right, so we're going to create blog. Another tutorial video I'm going to create. I'm going to tell you how to create the contact us, about us, and other thing. I'm going to learn how to build it. So please, let's leave you to get that. All right, so click publish and publish. This one, you don't need to change anything down there. Or did I change anything? I don't think I did. Let me check. Hope I did not change anything down. Did I? Hope I change it, please. Sorry. It should be default templates. So leave it the way default template and publish it. Please don't change it to front page. It should be default template and publish it. Then just press back. Then come to your setting. Come to your setting, reading. Click on reading. So you want to tell the website, how should it read it? How should your website read your, how should WordPress read your website? So your home page should be home and your post page should be blog. Please change it to static page and do that. Then click on save changes. Don't do any other thing apart from that. Click on save changes. So ladies and gentlemen, our website is now ready to be created. Let's refresh it and just see what's going to happen. So as we have created just two pages, you can see 2 pages that appear, but we make it more beautiful by creating menu. So let's come down back a bit, and the next thing we are going to create is going to be menu. But before we create menu, let's come to posts. So let's add posts. Go to add posts, add new post. Now posts are all these things you are seeing here, like all these. When you click on this, it's going to take you to a post. So this is how this post is being written. So we are going to show you how it's being written. So let me just write. The post is going to try to be much actually. So I'll only show you like 1 or 2. Then the rest I'll write it and we'll come back to the video and we'll continue. Let me create just one. Nigeria must know peace. Let me just do that. Nigeria must know peace. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the content here, before you start writing, is here you're going to put in your content. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to put a dummy content, and I'll tell you. Let me just close this, and I'll tell you how it can be done. Let me close all this. We don't need all this now. So let me just search for dummy. Okay, dummy tests. So I'm going to put in dummy tests. Let me just come down. Yeah, just click on. Let's see. Let me click on this one up. Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm going to come to dummy tests. There are some dummy tests that are available. Let me see. Maybe this one has it, or if it does not have, I just have to go to other pages that have it. And so let me just come here. The dummy test. How many paragraphs they say you should have? Let me say like 10 paragraphs. And let me generate it. So this dummy text is not actually real text. It's just dummy as it's being pronounced, dummy. So I'm just going to copy. It has been copied like that. So in this our blog here, I'm going to put in dummy text. To start writing, just click on that place and I'll follow Ctrl V. All those my dummy tests are now there. But you not use dummy text, of course, you are going to use real content. You get a real content. So that's how to add them. Now let's say for example, we want to add an heading. So you enter. Let's assume that this wants to be an heading. So just come back here, click on it. Then you can see that everything has been chosen. So that heading will be in paragraph. You can see that this is a paragraph. Then you come to this place here, and this sign here. Then click on heading. You're going to choose your heading. Let's assume you want to use H3. So click on H3. It's going to be small like that. All right. That's how to put heading. So you want to put any heading anywhere. That's how to do. So let's assume you want to make this place a quote. Let me somebody say something. So just put your console anywhere there. Then come to this place here. Then click on quote. Instantly it's going to become a quote. So let's assume you want to list. Let's assume this place you want to say that the following are this, and this. So let's come here. Let's assume you want to list all this. Similarly, you just come up here. Let's see what's going to happen. You can see list here. You can see it has listed all this. Let's assume I want to make another thing listed. When I press enter, it's going to list them. Let me come to make another thing here because I've put all this paragraph as list. So let's assume you want to add an image. So this plus, you can see a plus sign here. Click on the plus sign. That is add block, or you can just come up here and you see it there. So let's search for image. Let's assume you want to put an image. Then you're going to just click on image. Then you can either upload image or image from your library. So I'm going to click on upload image. So I'm explaining to you how you can actually add your blog to your website. So I'm going to copy all this image. Let me see, is it possible for me to get everything? Okay, no. Let me just take one. Let me take one. I'm going to open it. So the image is going to appear here. So when the image appears, I can actually increase it or decrease it. So let's assume I want it to be big like this, and I can put my caption. Let me just put anything down there. So this is the caption. You can actually add a gallery if you want to. Let's say for example I want to add a gallery somewhere around here. I'll click enter. Then when I put my console up here, I should see the I'll see the plus sign. Then click here and put, let's search for gallery. You can see gallery, so you can add more image than that. So that's how that is being done actually. So ladies and gentlemen, then when you're now through with your creating of your blog, every blog should have a category. Please, it's important. All these things you are saying, where is it? All these news, all these things, they are all categories. What did I say? They are all categories. They are all categories. They are not pages. The only page you have there is home page and blog page, but blog page is not appearing. All these things you are saying, they are categories. All right, so you come back here. After I've created your website, and category should only be created once. Just have to add them. Now, uncategorized, that's just one category. To do it, you just click on add new category. There was a category name. Let's call this editors. Let's call it editors desk. Editors desk. How is desk spelled? Let's call that category. Then just add new category. Good. So that has been done. You can add tag. Let's add tag like Nigeria. Let's say Nigeria. Let's say Buhari, our president. Buhari, or any other thing like that. So, and every post should have a feature image. When you look at this place, this is a feature image that is featuring. Feature image that is featuring. All right, so that's an English word though. So just come straight, click on your feature image. Let's upload one image, or better still, I want to upload all the image I want to use for this website. I'll make them available for you so they can also get them if you want to. So I'm just going to copy everything here and open. They should appear here. Yeah, so everything is appearing here like that. So I want to use let me see. The image I want to use has no load. Does not load. Yeah, load fast, please. Come on, load. Yeah, load fast. Yeah, peace. I want to use this one. This is not Nayyar flag. Let's assume it's Nayyar flag. Let's close one eyes and assume. Okay, so this is it. We are going to use another thing I want to tell you. Okay, let me click on it. I want to tell you something that immediately you click on your email, please give it an alternating text. Alternating text will help your SEO. Let me just put Nigeria. Let's assume this is Nigeria flag. So Nigeria, Nigeria flag. That's your alternative text. So you can copy this alternative text again and put it in every other places. Then you can set it as featured image. This is going to help you a lot. It's going to help you a lot. So ladies and gentlemen, after that is being done, then click on publish. Then you publish it. Then you publish your website. So let's see now let's come to the website. Let's refresh it and see what is going to happen. Let's see what's happening. You can see that the one that we have inserted has appeared. So this is the feature image. This is the Nigerian. If you click on it, this is a slider. That is good like that. So I come back, I'll see it again. So you click on it. So let's come this one. When you click on it, it's going to show you everything. So we'll take care of all this, ladies and gentlemen. When you are done with one post, you have to add about 23 posts or thereabout. So I may have to just close the pause it. So that let me delete this one. Please always delete this hello world. It's not needed. So I'm going to add the rest of the posts. So I may have to just cut away this place so that the thing will not become so lengthy. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm adding new post. So let me tell you how to add another post. Let's assume you want to add power of togetherness. Let's assume it's power of togetherness. So let me just Ctrl V what I would do that time. Then you come here, posts, straight here, category. This is so I also want to make this one an editor's test. I also want to make this one technology. I just add new one, technology and ticky, but also editor test. I don't need to write editor test again. I already have it once. So I want to click on it. Then I'm going to come here, add my feature image. I'm going to add one feature. Let me just add anyone here. Let me just add this one as a featured image. Good. You can add your tag, of course, if you want to, and you should. But I'm going to just publish it and publish it. So I've already explained to you how you can do this. So I think that's the public. You can see it as public. You can actually view it. So let's come back here. When you refresh the website, you will also see it. You see it here. It's going to appear. You can see it. I can see. So these are the two posts that's on our website for now. It's becoming like this little by little, isn't it? Let me come up a bit. Okay, so let's continue. The rest of the blog posts, it's not going to appear in your own end there. So I'm just going to write it. As you can see, I've already put in some more posts, like 16. They're not like 16 posts. Okay. So now, when we are through with the post, come to appearance. What do we need next is menu. Come to appearance menu. As you can see here, you need menu here. We're going to take care of this and make it to appear something like this. Okay. Menu. So we're going to give menu a title. You must first give it a title. So I'm going to just call it main menu. You're going to type your own main menu, or you can give it any name. It's not going to show, but main menu is going to be okay. Then you create it. Then you come down. Yes. Let's search for. If you need home and blog, this home and blog, you're going to also add it and put it there. Then when you have selected it, click on add to menu. It's going to appear here. Then you also you come to category. I told you that we are going to add category too. So you can also select all of this and then add it to menu here. All right, so here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Here it is. So you can move them around. For example, let's say you want to put this one here. You can put it there, or somewhere around there. You can put it there. You can make it a sub menu, of course, even sub menu. So everything should be the main menu. Then you come down here and click it as the primary. Should be the primary. Then you save menu. Okay. If you come up here and if you refresh it, you will see what I'm talking about. All this menu is going to appear now. You can see all the menu is already here, just like something like this one. All right. So let's also add a top bar. Let's see. Does this one have a top bar? It has. I think it has been taken away. Top bar means a bar around up here. So when you check this one out, the top bar up here is this date. So let's see if you can add extra top bar. So you come here, come down, come up here, click on create new menu. We want to create a new menu. So let's call this one top bar, top menu, or top menu. Then you create it. You're going to type top menu, create it. Then what should be on the top menu? Just come to custom link. So here I'm going to put a website. So I'm going to just put our website. Let me just put my website, my portfolio, danieladeroboye.com.ng. .ng rather. So I'm going to write it here, website. So I want to add it to menu. So other things I want to put, let me just say Facebook. No, what is Facebook? www.facebook.com/ let's see, below. All right, so here the link test should be Facebook, or maybe like visitors or like us. Then you go to click add to menu, and let me add one more. Let's just leave those two. You can add more if you want to. Then come here and click on top bar navigation. Then you save menu. So let's see if it's going to appear. If it's not going to appear, just have to forget about it and continue. Good. As you can see here, the top bars appear. We have website and we have Facebook. So when you click on this, it's going to take you to what you want it to take you to. So good. That's the top bar. Then that's been done. It's now time for us to go to the widgets. When you go to our website here, at this downside there, this is the widgets. You want to give it a widget. To give it a widget, you come here, come to widgets. Here. Come to widget. Of course, you can also come to here and do customization and do widget, but I want us to take care of everything without involve the dashboard before you come. You can also do it here. Let me make that clear. Customize, I'm going to take you there. But let's do it here. So at this footer 1, footer 2, footer 3, footer 4. So we're going to do. So for footer 1, you can click here and let's add a simple text. Yeah. So text. Can just click here and let's scroll down a bit. And it's going to be on footer column 1. So you add it that way. Then you come up here, give it a text title. That's maybe about us. Let's assume it's about us. About us. Then you can type in anything you want to type. Let me Ctrl V. So what I've posted before is going to be too long, so I'm just going to be deleting it so that it can be short. Hope you get what I'm trying to say. Okay, let's take it to this level. Let's see, is it still long? Because if it's long, it's going to affect our website. So let's make it a bit shorter. So of course, this should be your about us, maybe about you, the widest read, solve something. You know, that's not what I'm trying to say. So let me just delete all this and delete all this too. So that is okay then. Just click on save. So that's our footer 1. If you come here to refresh it, it's going to appear. Alright, so done. Let me done it. So I already do with footer 1. Let's see if it's going to appear or not. Come down. As you can see, it has appeared here. This one is kind of too long. Let me reduce it a bit so that let's open it and reduce it. Let me just cut from here somewhere around here. Take it away. Take it away and then save. It should be okay. So we're already done with footer 1. Then let's come to footer 2. What should be in footer 2? Let's see. Let's put a gallery in footer 2. You can also do it like this. Like now, gallery, just bring it over to footer 2 and drop it. Let's call it gallery. That's the gallery. The title is, let's call it title gallery too. And you can add image. You add image to your gallery. So let's add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then create a new gallery. You can just pop. Gallery is already appeared. It has already appeared there. So just come. Let's come down a bit and click on save. When you click on save, that's save. When you come here and refresh your page, you're going to see the gallery is going to appear here. So ladies and gentlemen, that are things you can see that appear. So let's come up here and let's put it for column 3. Let's put category. Category. Let's search for category. Where's category? Yeah, yes, category. Just come to column 3, add to widget. So it's going to add by itself to category. So let's call the title categories. Should it show post count? Okay, should show post count. Oh, I went to write category. Don't mind me. Category. Then let's done it. Let's come to footer 4. Let's put recent post in footer 4 in footer 4. So let's come back. Recent post at widget. So th, where's the th recent post? How are you going to add? Just come here. The title, let's put it as recent posts. Save changes. Save. So we're already done with the widget. You can just click on done. When you refresh it, everything is going to appear down here. You can see it has fully appeared. So our website is coming together little by little. So ladies and gentlemen, it's now time for us to go on. So what I'm going to do now is going to be customized. You can come to customize here. Using here, you click here on customize, or you come to your front end there. And now, once you should know that all this bar here, this bar up here, can only seen by you when you log in. If the other person sees the website, they won't see all this. So don't be scared. Only you can see this. Nobody else can see it, except if they log into your website. And don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can make your website to be secured and every other thing. But this video is not going to cover. It's going to be other video. So you click on customize. Okay. So we're going to create something like this. Don't worry. Yes, I'm going to hold you until when you create it. All right. So when you click on customize, this theme has a pro version. So we're not going to use the pro version. Let's come straight. So the first thing I'm going to do is to upload the logo. You can just click on this, or better say come to site identity, then come straight down, upload site icon. Now this site icon is something like this P you're seeing here. That is the site icon. But for that, let's upload the logo. Select logo. Okay, I don't have a logo yet. Let me just come down to my screen and pick my logo. So in videos, in next video, I want to tell you how to create this logo. Very simple. You don't need to use Photoshop or anything. It's very simple logo. Like now, so I'm going to keep copying. You see what's going to happen. It's already appeared. So here, I'm going to disable this. I will disable this. Okay, so everything is now okay, like the way it ought to be. All right, so you can also put a site logo if you want to. Of course, you should, but I'm going to do that now. I'm going to do it in subsequent video, so it should be 1, 1, 2. But let me just show you how it's been done. When you click on it, so if I click on this one and select it, of course, this is not the site logo, so I'm just going to skip it. You see what is going to happen. You can see it has appeared. Here it has changed already. So when you have to click on publish, then click on back. As we done that, we are going to go to news card setting. Let's come down, news card setting. So your news card setting, No, not this place. Not support. Setting. Where is it? Setting. Yeah. In this card setting, please click on show featured image on post. Show featured image on show featured image in post single. Good. That means that when you open a single post, let's open a single post here. So when you open a single post, it's going to show featured image. As you can see, it has shown the featured image. But if we disable this, the featured image is not going to show. And that is going to be very good. You can just imagine no featured image, it's not going to be beautiful. So you're going to let the featured image show by just clicking on that. Click on publish. Let's come back. Let's click home here. All right, then the next thing we are going to do, ladies and gentlemen, is to come to widgets. Now, let me give you a little gist. When you check this website now, this page you can see main story. This is the banner area. Like banner, like when you come to a shop, you see a shop banner. So this is the first thing that you see. This is the banner area. Then this popular story, this is the header area. Then this you may miss, just like the footer area. Are we together? Now, in between these two, this one, this popular story and this, that is where our home page content is. That's where our home page content is. Are we together, ladies and gentlemen? So let's get started by first designing the banner area. So to design the banner area, we are going to come to, let's search for banner. Just come to banner. I think banner should show somewhere. Okay, look at banner here. This banner. Click on banner. Then this banner has a banner setting, a feature slider. Now this one here is the feature slider. Then we have feature 1. Sorry, I don't think you can see. This thing is obstructing it though. But this feature 1 and feature 2. So feature 1, feature 2. So the slider banner, let's click on it and set it. Should it be the latest story? Of course, you can change this main story if you want to. Like for instance, this one here is featured. They show you as featured. So you can just decide, so let me comment and type your own as featured. But let's leave it as main story. Then click on show post from category. Show post from category. From which category? So let's just choose technology. So you take technology, only the post of technology will be able to show here. So if you choose featured, it means that your category then there should be featured here. Are we together? So only category from technology will be showed here. Then click on publish. Of course, you can hide this banner if you want to. Just click on hide banner. All this is going to go off, but I don't think that is necessary. Then come to this side, editor's pick. That is featured post 1. So it should be from, since we are saying it's editor pick, I think we have a category, you know, that's editor's decks. So you just come here and pick editor's decks. Then here they go to editor's pick. You can change it to editor's desk. You see it's going to change. Yeah. So you go to publish it and press back. So let's come to this last one that they go trendy new this thing. So let's click on it and change it to, let's just change it to like health. Is it health? Let's change it to health. Health. Since you have changed it to health, this one too should be changed. So let's type health, HEALTH, health. Publish it. As you can see, as I'm typing it, they are changing here. It's very simple, just like that. So let's come down. All right, so we're already through with the banner. So let's come to the header. So you click back. This got the header here. Now, do you want to hide the top bar? So actually, I think we should not hide the top bar. Let's leave it the way things are. All right, sorry. This header is this place. Is here. So between this place and this place, you can actually show this header in this side here. We'll still come to the header of the canvas, but this header of this top here is, do you want to hide? If I click on hide top bar, this top bar is going to be hidden. Then I can change this one to uppercase. All this one that in the back, I can change to lowercase if I want to. I can change hide the breadcrumb. Now, if you want to give a background color, maybe background image to this place, you can. But we're not going to do that. Now, I want to come here for advertisements image. I want to put an add image here. So I'm going to select image. So I'm going to put in an add image, something like this. Let me just put it for tutorial's sake. I don't want you to show like that. So let me come to upload. Let me just drag it there. It's a flat image. So you can just put like here now. You can see add detail. If I should refresh, it's going to show you, but I don't want to refresh it. So I'm going to leave it like that. So I'm going to just you see that this banner I've put here is going to show you. Please, if you want to put this banner, let it be something like this size. You can see it can show you. Then you can actually put your Google AdSense. But this website is the scope of this website is not that. So, but I'm just telling you how you can actually make money from. You can put a banner here where people can just click and go there. Then when you put the banner, you should put the URL of the banner, www.something. So I'm just going to publish it here. Leave it that way and press back. So this up place has been taken care of. Now to take care of this, this one I talk about this popular. This is the header featured post. So this is header featured post. Click on here. Should the header featured post just show the latest story, or should it show the featured post? So let's make it to show post from category. So click on post from category. Then you're going to select the category. So which category should you select? Just select sport. Just select sport. You can leave it or popular, or you can change it to sports if you want to. Should we change it? Of course, it's all depend on what you want to do. Now, you can also make this part here to show in the home page or to show also in the blog page here. So I'm going to make it only show in the home page so that it's going to be more decent. So if you click it to show home page and upload it to show here and here, and it's not going to be so that much decent, publish it, send back, press back. Now the next thing we are going to do is we have taken care of the banner, the header. Just come to the footer. This you may have missed. Look at it, a footer featured post. Click on that. You may have missed. What do you want it to show? What do you want it to show? So I want it to also show post from category. This you may have missed. So I'm going to just pick travel. We're going to pick travel. I'm going to publish it. So everything here is going to be in accordance to that. Hope you are getting it. It's just simple like that. It's very simple. So let's press back. Now that has been taken care of. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's coming together just like something like this. But if you notice the website here, in the center here, there's many news, the homepage content you can see. So I want to do that too. Come back to customization. Then let's go over to let's see. Where is widgets? Yeah, widgets. Click on widget. Now we're going to use this home page content, front page content. So that is the page content between these two places here, this place. So if you go to click on home page content, I'm going to add widgets. Click on add widget. So the first widget I'm going to add is horizontal. Just click on just press horizontal. This is a TH horizontal. Now you can give it a title. Let's give it a title of sport. Okay. Let's give a title of sport. Then it should show category. It should show post from where. Since I'll call it sport, so it should show from sport, right? So just click on done. That is the first one. You see what's going to happen. You can see these are shown here. It has shown horizontal, so vertical. You can see vertical. Everything is vertical from up to down. So let's add another widget. That same place, adding another widget, and we are going to search for blogs. I want to add a blog widget, blog up, something like that. So let's search for, let's see, B. Okay. All right, this is it here. Card or blog post. Click on that. So here, let's give it. So click on up. So I just keep clicking on that. Click on block style. When I mean block style, so it's going to be in a block style like this. You can see this is a block style. This was we just added in a block style. So let's give it a title of. Let me give you a title of editors desk. Editors desk. So you show from latest post. Since I call it editors desk, just click on editors desk. Hope you are getting this, ladies and gentlemen. Please, my prayer you should get it, please. So and if you not get it, I'm going to create more video on which I believe you're going to get it better. So let's add one more widget. One more widget. So, or should we add? Let's add. So we're going to add a vertical, which you can click for vertical or horizontal. Anyone you click on. This one now. I'm going to add. Okay, for the vertical. Sorry, I'm going to add horizontal. So make sure this horizontal style is click. Then come here. Let's give it technology. Okay, so the category is going to be from technology, since we have called it technology. So category is going to be technology. Done. Let's see what just happened. you can see it down here. You can see that this one here is different. This one is in horizontal state. You can see horizontal, unlike this one up here that is in vertical. So click on publish. So it's coming together little by little, isn't it? Let's press back. Now we need a sidebar. When you come to their post here, you will see a sidebar. This just in is a sidebar. This add is a sidebar from the word side. You can see sidebar here too. So I want to put a sidebar to make our own more beautiful and okay. So to do sidebar, just click front page sidebar. Click on front page sidebar. Let's add a widget. So let's search for vertical. Just vertical. Add a vertical widget to make it straight. So we are going to put spots there. And we are going to click on show. Since we have put spots, so it should also be spots. You see what is going to happen. Let me click on done. Let me show you what's happening. You can see it has come as a sidebar. This is the header post. You can see a sidebar spot that has already appeared. So it's coming together and becoming more beautiful. See, it's sticky. Now this page is now sticky as I'm moving. It's sticky. So let's add more so that it can become more sticky. Add widget. Search for recent. Excuse me, please. Recent post. Then we are going to type recent post there. Recent post. Then how many featured image should it? How many posts should it show? 4. So when that has been done, add widget. And let's see what's up. No, sorry, not add widget. Done. I wanted to press done. Then let's publish it. So you see what is going to happen now. You can see the sidebar now. It's now more beautiful. You have spot. When you now come down, you have the recent post. So it's becoming beautiful little by little. So ladies and gentlemen, that has been done. But we're already through with the front page sidebar. So now this, okay. Let me open the content. Let me open one of these contents. And let me tell you what's happening. So when I open this content, you can see a sidebar here. A right sidebar. Can you see this right sidebar? So we want to make it to be more beautiful and more presentable. All right, more beautiful and more presentable. So let me come back to this, my domain. This is where I check my domain from. Let me get it from this place. I'm going to show you something. Okay. Let me log in. All right, let's come back here. I want to show you something. Now, when I click on this sidebar, I want to make it to be more presentable. So you click on right sidebar. Now we have the search. That is okay. Then recent post. Just take away this recent post for now. Recent post, recent comment. Let's take it away from now. Click on remove. All right. So I'm going to add a widget. HTML. Right, so I'm going to put an ad here. I'm going to write advertisement. Then I'm going to come here to this place here, come to my affiliate here. I'm going to put an affiliate link. Of course, you can put a Google ad link or anything that you want. Maybe you are an affiliate to Jumia or Bikonga. So they're going to give you a banner. You can just put a banner, and I think some of them have a Go-to banner that can be changing by itself. Okay, so let's come back here. I'm just going to put the code I've copied from my nick here. See what's going to happen there. Just watch what happens. See, that's appear. When somebody click on his place, they're going to come automatically to register for this thing. So I'm going to click on publish. All right. So when I've clicked on publish, the next thing I'm going to add here is let's close this place. Let's close this. So let's click on add recent. I want to make it to be better. So I add the widgets. I want to put in recent post there too. TH recent post, please. Then just type in recent post. How many should show? 4. I'm okay with 4. Done. Then let's add one more widget. Let's add for category. Let's see. It's going to show. Okay, good. Add category. So I'm going to just call it categories. And let's see showed post count. Done. So we're already done with that. Let's see what is happening here. This is our search widget. This is our ad. As I'm going down, it's kind of sticky, right? We have recent posts and we have our category. Wow, this is a beautiful, I must confess, this is a beautiful website, a beautiful blog, a newspaper. You can also use, maybe you want a blog for education. You can see maybe JAM, WAEC, NECO, stuff like that. Maybe like a general, maybe your own is health. Make like health and home, parent health, child health, education category, beautiful, and wow, you are good to go. All right, so let's press back now. our thing is already getting together little by little. Our website is getting together little by little. As you can see, everything is now getting, in fact, everything is almost ready. But let me go back to the home. But this thing still look ugly, as in kind of red. It's ugly, and then the font is not that palatable. So I'm going to give you a code. Yes, so you don't need to know anything about the code. But in the next videos, in video to come, I'm going to teach you how to customize your website. You can customize it as any way you want. Like you can change something using code. The code is not, you don't write any code, I bet it to you. You just a copy and paste, but the code is going to be on your website. So I'm going to give you a code now. So just come to additional CSS, click on it. So in this place, this way I'm going to include this code, this CSS code I'm going to give to you. Just click on back. Okay. Let me open this. Okay, it's already open. So this CSS code, this cut it. So this CSS code is what we are going to put. Just Control A everything, then Control C, or copy as the case may be. You come here and paste it here. See what is going to happen. When you paste in, you can see things has changed. From the ugly red is now blue. The font has adjusted. We now have white here. Everything has adjusted. You can now see that this one now has a different color, and this one is more beautiful than that, isn't it? Yes, it's more beautiful than that. This one is more beautiful and palatable. Now you can change it if you want to. Let's say, for example, you don't like this blue color. Maybe your own is other color. Now, when you come up here, let me come up to this. When you come up here, I've commented everything. This thing has been commented. So the info, like up here, the info background color. This info background color. Sorry, this is the hair. This is the info background color. Is this color? So let's assume top bar. Okay, this is top bar. Let's assume you want to change this third bar. Yes, this place. Let's assume you want to change it. To do that, you just come to your keyboard, your system. Let's ask for. You just type as color. You see different colors. Let's open this one, this first one. Okay. You will see how you can change it. Let's assume you want to change that. So let's assume I want to pick, let's say this type of purple. Is it purple or blue? So just copy this code here. Control C it. Come back to your website. From this place, just highlight it. See what is going to happen. Control V it. It has changed. So that's the simple way of changing it. It has changed. Let's say in the future, I want to change it. It has changed. Then, since this one has changed, let's say this one, I want to affect this place. This navigation band, you can see background color of navigation. This one to just highlight it. Please don't comment this exclamation mark with it. Just from here and Control V it has changed. Can you see that things has changed there? Okay. Then you can just now we have home title. Home title. If you want to change this home title, like this home title now, see what is going to happen. Let me change this P to 2. You can see when I change it to 2, everything here become kind of lighter. If I change it to let's see, to 6, it become bigger. Here become bigger. So what I'm changing is this place. Now, if I want to change this color, this color here to this. So this is the border. I want to change it to this color. So what I will do just to highlight all this. You can see and Control V it. Everything has changed. Are you with me? So that is the way to change it. And everything has been commented. So when you come to home post title, so this is the post title, all this post title, the weight is 400. It's kind of thick. If I change it to weight to like 800, let's see what's happening. When I change it to like 800, you can see that it is now become thicker. So let me change it. Let's change something like 500 or something big like that. All this homepage title is going to change. All this stuff is going to become thicker. I'm not going to change as when I cancel it. This code is for this. 500 is now like this. If I change to something like 800, you can see things is becoming deeper. Let me just leave it to as 400, and this is okay. So homepage widget title. Homepage widget title. Yeah, this is the homepage widget title, isn't it? So the border, this place, that is the for a border left. I can also change to something like 5. You come Tika 55, can see. So I'm going to leave it as 4. So that's how to change it. You can also change the color. Let's assume you want to change this color too. You just change the color to not that, sorry. You should only have one hash, not 2. Let me just cut all this one off and put it. Sorry, please. You should only have 1. Okay, you can see it has also changed. So that's how things is being done. This home page, home just image, you can just adjust the image. So this is the background of the image. Let's see. What we mean is all this color. You can see media light blue, this color. So this is how to edit the background. This is how to edit. You can also change it. When you change any color, it's going to be affected. So you can just play around with it, and everything is going to go well. So this is very beautiful. As you can see, this is better than the previous one. You can change this. I've already changed this color to blue. You can see that everything is now blue. You can change your own to maybe red. Just come to this as color. Pick any color you want to pick. As you want to pick this one now, you just pick it here. This is the code. Control C it or copy it or anyone you use, and you just come straight up here. Let's assume you want to change this one now. Okay, let's assume it's this one. Where is the background? Now background. Let me see. Let's assume this one. I want to change it to that color. Just highlight it and Control V it. See, it has changed. This border has changed. So this is an adjustment. That's how to do it. When you are true, please always publish. You click on publish. But I want to make it just the way it is. So I'm just going to come back to this code here. Just going to Control C it, come back to my website, Control A everything, and Control V. So it's going to come back to the way it is published. So that's how to change everything if you want to change. So our website is ready. Ladies and gentlemen, I believe you had a good time watching this tutorial. Please, if you have any question, let me know. And we're going to continue the class. Yes, class. I'm going to continue class with other videos like how to create e-commerce website like Konga, Jumia, how to create that type of website, or any other e-commerce website. If you have any store, how to put your store online, how to list it on Google. And this class, now this is the basic. I'm going to show you how to make this website visible on Google. Yeah, because when you put this website on Google search, for instance, it's not going to show you. It will tell you it's not available. Although you have created a website, I'm going to teach you how to make this Google site available on Google, how to run SEO on this website, SEO, so search engine optimization, how to run it on this website, and it will become visible. So you can just create your own and it will become visible. See, let me tell you, all these fonts can be changed. Yeah, can be changed. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so I'm going to come to the end of this video, and I hope you enjoy it because I really enjoy teaching you. My name still remains Danny Adeoboye. I look forward to see you in the other video. Thank you so much. I love you, and God bless you.